everybody, I'm Chef Jeff from Smith's. Today's recipe we're going to be making an easy weeknight dinner, or any dinner for that matter, but we're going to be using healthy ground turkey, and then we're going to make a turkey and Parmesan pasta, super good. We're going to use spaghetti, there's going to be tomatoes, super delicious. All right, let's get right to it. So what I have in this pan is, earlier I put some butter in this pan, then I added some onions, then I stirred in some garlic, and then I put the ground turkey in there and let it all cook together, crumbled the turkey, got it all nice and brown and everything. And that's what we have here. So my ground turkey is cooked for the most part, and everything's broken apart. And now let's let's actually make the sauce. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add some butter to it. I added some butter earlier, but we're going to add more because butter is delicious. Okay, so we have our butter in there. Let me give that a quick stir. The next thing we're going to add is chicken broth. And then let that get in there and get going. And the next thing we're going to do is canned tomatoes. These are canned diced tomatoes, just the regular 14.5 ounce can of that. And then when it comes to a boil, we're going to turn the heat down, and then we're going to let it simmer for probably about 20 minutes or so, because we really want that sauce to boil down and to get thick and everything. So once that boils, then we have what we have over here. And so everything's come together nicely. It's nice and thick, and the turkey's cooked, the tomatoes are cooked down. It looks delicious. Okay, so let me show you how you finish this sauce. So what we're going to do, traditional Italian food or any pasta dish, actually you mix the pasta in with the sauce. You don't put the pasta on the plate and then pour sauce over it. That's a no-no. But what you do is you put the pasta in with the sauce and then you stir it around. So that's what we're going to do. But what I'm going to do is, the pasta, so cook it to package directions and then put it in a bowl, and then maybe put some olive oil or something on it so it doesn't stick. And so that's what I have right here is my spaghetti. You could use any pasta you wanted here, but this is 1 pound of spaghetti I'm just going to throw in there. And then next I'm going to add some parsley, chopped parsley, and then some delicious Parmesan and Reggiano cheese. You could use regular Parm if you like. I just really love the authenticity of the Parmesan and Reggiano. And then we're just going to toss until it all comes together and it's looking fabulous. Oh my gosh, mouth is watering. See, this is the kind of food I love. I could just sit and just eat a whole big plate of this. In fact, I'm going to as soon as this segment's over. Ha. But you can make it at home, of course, and that's the whole point of this. Is it's super easy, really simple, and it comes together in maybe 20 minutes. Ingredients are cheap. So let's get this out onto our plate. Get some nice pasta. Maybe get some more of that turkey. My gosh, that looks fantastic, and I just made a mess all over the plate, but that's okay. We'll straighten that up a bit. Of course, you can find all of these ingredients at your local Smith's. Get some Parmesan and parsley on there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for shopping. We will see you all next time. Bye-bye, everybody.